Hi guys, so I wanted to level up my online selling on ukay on second-hand men's cloth or jeans. So ayan, bumili po tayo ng ating mini sewing machine, and I would like you to be with me to the first to the last that I'm going to unbox my mini my mini sewing machine. Ayan, I bought it from Shopee. It was delivered by GNT. My trusted GNT delivery. And dyan din ako nagpapadeliver ng aking mga paninda. So, by ship. And so, nagsiship din po tayo ng ating mga jeans via GNT. So, ito na nga po at buksan po natin. Para walang rason ang aking buyer na may flows. Kaya lahat ginagawa ko. Kaya nilalagyan ko rin mga ganun para siguradong maganda. Kasi nakakatulong din sa pag-rate nila sa akin. Buksan natin yan. Hopefully, everything is good. Ang hirap mag-index, no? And so, ito na nga po siya, ang ating mini sewing machine. And of course, meron din siyang board. And of course, apakaganda po ng pagkakabalot nila, kaya safe na safe. And then, meron po tayong charger. Yan. And of course, ayan, ganyan po siya kaganda. Ayan, ganyan. And meron siyang pa-free na sinulit. And ayan, maganda siya. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Shopee lang. Sa Shopee lang matatagpuan. Ayan, meron na rin siyang pa-free na nakalagay na sinulit. And then, ayan na yung sample niya. Oh, so may nakalagay na. So, start na tayo. Try natin. Ayan, so it can be operated by battery. Ayan, AA, and then you can use it by charging. So, maganda pala siya. And ito yung apakan niya. Gunners. So, yan, ganyan. And ganyan ilagay ang board niya. Ay, oh my God, how is this? Meron pala siyang faa-faa, and then ganyan. Wow! So, ganyan nga po. Ganyan. Also, it's working. Ganyan. Ayan, so let's, alright, so you have to put down the lever here, ayan, put that, and then of course we have here the, and I will show you and then you're going to do it like that way, another push to that, and then you're going to, the lever here, and then up, and then you put it back again, ayan, put it back again for the sake that it will lock. Yan, that's the lock. And then you're going to continue it like this. And at the end too, you're going to pull the lever here, and you're going to put this up. And then you're going to return it. You're going to put this up again. And then you're going to hila here. Yan, and then you return it back again. So it would lock. Then you push the lever. And then you press it again. Yan. So then you're going to hila and hila like that. So you're going to cut it off and see, it's right there. So it was locked. Isn't it so beautiful? So that's it. That's the sewing. So ayun guys, that's the how to sew your to save your clothes that is being ripped. And sa bagay also naman ngayon ang ripped pants. But that's it. So order na sa Shopee.